How to link Google Authenticator on Binance. After you open the Binance app like this, go to your profile at the top left side. After you come to your profile, go to user account again. So from this option now, go to security. After you come to security, go to Authenticator app. Here is it now. After you come to this Authenticator app, now go to this enable. After you come to this enable, so in this option now, it will give you 3 steps. So the first one is copy the 16-digit code, this one, and go and add it to the add this code that it gives you. Copy the code and add the code into your Authenticator app. Now, as you can see now here is the Google Authenticator QR code. That's it, guys, on how to get the Google Authenticator QR code on Binance. So from there now, all you have to do now, after you open this option, now copy this code. After you copy this code, now go ahead and open up your Google Authenticator. Make sure you download the Google Authenticator from your Play Store or App Store. Now here is my Google Authenticator. After you open the Google Authenticator, now tap on this plus button. So from this option, now tap on this enter a setup. So from this option now, type in the name Binance. After you type in the name like this now paste in the key that you copy in this option. After you paste in the key, now tap on this add button. So now if you scroll to down, you'll be able now to see the Binance. Now here is it now. Here is the code. Now go back, now copy the code. After you copy the code, now go back to your Binance app. So from this option, now tap on this next button. Now it will ask you to paste in the code that you copy. So now tap on this option and tap on this paste. Tap on submit button. So from there now, if you go back like this, now if you refresh, now as you can see now the Google Authenticator has been enabled on your Binance account. Hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe.